There's something out there. It doesn't shine. It doesn't glow. You can't see it, touch it, or smell it. And yet, it makes up most of the matter in the entire universe. Scientists call it dark matter. And here's the crazy part, we still have no idea what it's made of. But that hasn't stopped us from looking. In this video, we're diving deep into one of the greatest mysteries of modern physics. What is dark matter really made of? Buckle up, this will blow your mind. Let's start with the basics. Dark matter is a form of matter that doesn't interact with light, hence the name dark. That means it doesn't emit light, absorb it, or reflect it. It's completely invisible. So how do we even know it's there? Because of gravity. When astronomers observed galaxies spinning, they noticed something strange. The galaxies were spinning way too fast to be held together by just the visible stars and gas. There had to be something else, something massive, holding it all together. That invisible something is what we now call dark matter. In fact, scientists estimate that about 85% of the matter in the universe is dark matter. Let that sink in. Everything we can see, stars, planets, you, me, is just 15%. Now comes the big question. What is dark matter made of? The truth, we don't know yet. But there are some fascinating theories. One leading candidate is something called WIMPs, short for weakly interacting massive particles. These are hypothetical particles that barely interact with normal matter, just enough to have gravitational effects. Another theory, axions, super light particles that could exist in huge numbers. They're nearly impossible to detect but could form the mysterious halo around galaxies. And then there are the sterile neutrinos, a hypothetical type of neutrino that might have mass and could account for dark matter. Some scientists even think dark matter could be made of entirely unknown particles we haven't even imagined yet. It's like trying to solve a puzzle with invisible pieces. So how do you find something that doesn't interact with light? Researchers are getting creative. They build underground detectors to avoid cosmic noise. They smash particles together in giant machines like the Large Hadron Collider, hoping dark matter might leave a trace. They study galaxies, gravitational lensing, and cosmic microwave background radiation, all to detect tiny effects caused by dark matter. Every experiment, every observation, brings us one step closer. It's the ultimate cosmic treasure hunt. Now, here's where it gets controversial. Some scientists ask, what if dark matter doesn't exist at all, instead of inventing an invisible substance? Maybe we need to adjust our understanding of gravity, especially at large cosmic scales. This idea is called modified Newtonian dynamics (MOND). And who knows, the person who finally solves it might be watching this video right now. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you want more mind-blowing science videos, and tell us in the comments. What do you think? Dark matter is mystery particles, something else, or just bad math?